Hey there everyone, welcome in Flutter Quiz App video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Sleep and in this video tutorial we are going to develop a quiz app using Flutter, and this app will we can run in Android and iOS. So if you are here, no doubt, what is Flutter, what is pros and cons, and a lot of things like that. So I hope you know everything about Flutter, why we use, and the history and basic things all. If you want to learn Dart, uh, which is used here in Flutter, I already create a video tutorial series for Dart. You can go in my channel and you can learn from here Dart. It's very easy and simple if you know PHP, C++, Python, any language. It's very easy to understand even if you're a newbie. uh, Always it's also very easy to understand. So first of all we have to make a setup, create a setup for Flutter in our computer. So I'm using here Mac. If you're using Windows or Linux, it's the same. Sorry, this Mac and Linux is same. You can say it's a very near both of these. Windows a little bit different. I will show you in this tutorial how to create a setup. So it is we are in flutter.dev, and all the information if you want to learn about Flutter, about UIs and comparison between Flutter and React Native or like others, you can set from Google, and here's a documentation and showcase and community available here. So let's go to get start, and here the installation system for Windows, Mac, Linux and Chrome OS. I'm using Mac and Linux as I told before. It's a very near. So here's the system requirement: operating system 64-bit and disk space you have to minimum 2.8 GB, and tool Git. It's better if you install Git, and just download this zip file, and after that place extract the file and place in your desired location. I prefer it's better if you keep in your under your user, and go to that there, unzip, and add the path of your where you place this folder, your development folder, and inside that folder there is a bin. You have to export the path, and then run doctor flutter doctor. After that is the cloning of Flutter GitHub. It's a like I expect you know each and everything, how to install and set up the Flutter in your local machine. Just I'm giving here the overview. If you're facing any problem, if you don't know how to install and set up, please comment down on this video. I will create videos for Mac and Windows, how to install and create a setup and run our Flutter application. After that, update your path, echo path for print out which Flutter for your version, and which Flutter dot. It also give you about the dot, your location, etc. And here we have a iOS setup. Install Xcode. Just go to your app store, and under develop tools you can find here Xcode. Otherwise search out, you will find Xcode. I already installed in my system, so I'm not going to install again. then sudo Xcode select switch, and here is this command. Just follow step by step and read out this instruction. Install latest version stable Xcode from web download or Mac App Store, which I show you here. App Store. Read these instruction and follow them. After that, you have to open a simulator. I'm going to open. It should take some time. Let's move ahead. Go ahead and here create and run the simple Flutter app. Flutter create my app, then go to in that folder and run. Okay, let's see. I'm going to follow this commands. cd desktop. I'm here in my desktop, and Flutter create my app. Hit enter. Now the setup of Flutter is installed or done. Still it's running. Now it's done. Next step, change directory and go to in the my app directory which we created now while we create the project of Flutter. cd my app and then run Flutter, but make sure your simulator is running. It's okay. And Flutter run. Hit enter. It will take some time. And, okay, let's go ahead. Next, deploy to iOS devices. You have to install CocoaPods and follow these instructions. And here you have to sign in and connect with your developer account, your Xcode. And next, here is what about the computer to if you want to install directly in your mobile device. And here's the Android setup. You have to download and install Android Studio. Let's see about Android Studio. Just go to developers.android.com, and here you have to download and install Android Studio. Go to Android Studio and download and install. This file is 877 MBs. Just download and install. It's very easy and simple. Keep default settings, next, and install. That's it. At the end, you have to create a AVD manager. I will show you in next video tutorial how to create a AVD manager. If you already have, it's perfect. Otherwise, we'll create in next videos. Instead of Android Studio, I will create this project in Visual Studio Code. It's up to you if you want to write your code in Android Studio or Visual Studio Code. No problem, it doesn't matter. There's no problem with Android Studio, and even in Visual Studio Code it's very easy and simple. At the last, let's see the overview of Windows installation. But first, let's check our simulator. Now, the Flutter demo homepage, and here our Flutter project is running. We didn't write any code of line. It's a default you can set Flutter project or application. It's working perfect. If I open in my Visual Studio Code desktop and my app. Here we have built all the overview of this Flutter project. We'll discuss later, and the main our working in this lib uh, directory or folder is a main dart file. Let's change this counter ++2. I'm going to make some changes. Plus say 4. Save. Again go back and run Flutter. See what happened. The build is running and it will be installed. Until let's see or discuss the overview of Windows installation. Here the operating system, disk space, and the tools which you need here. It's better if you install Windows PowerShell and Git for Windows. You have to install, download Flutter for Windows, and follow the instructions which is here step by step. Then run Flutter Doctor and install Android Studio. We already discussed. That's it. It's very easy and simple. If you got any problem, just comment down on this video. I'll give you answer. Now the changes is which we make is applied. If I click on plus, you can see here the increment by 4 is happening because we make the increment here, increment counter by 4. So it's a intro video where we discuss how to make a setup and create Flutter project, run even our system, and we open this project in Visual Studio Code and run our program or application. So that's for this video tutorial. See you in next one.